first 30 minutes of the day, even on Apple, that is this line that I drew right here. Everybody see this? That is till 10 o'clock. If we look at Apple, if you guys were doing the 2-minute EWO, by the way, here's your entry. Look at how it didn't do anything. It came down and went up, chopped you. Came down, it broke through, chopped you. Came down, chopped you. Came down, chopped you. There's your first 30 minutes of the day with Apple. Everybody see it? Kill the first half an hour. It's really hard. I don't care who you are. I don't care how many years you've been trading. The first 30 minutes is actually the most big dog doo-doo time ever. Let's draw it here on Tesla. There is exactly your first 30 minutes. Now, of course, we got to ride this down. We were calling this out. Here's your 2-minute EWO. By the way, let's break this down too, just so you're aware of it, Buck. You see how these first two candles are identical in size?
Yes, sir.
That's a don't touch it. We don't get to touch it until a candle breaks the previous high, meaning longer candle than the previous candle it was before it. You see how these two are the same?
Yes, sir.
That is not the trade candle, but that one is your winner because it's now taller than the previous candle. So let's break this down as if you're an experienced trader, you've been here a while, that means this is the entry, which is somewhere in this candle, and there's your payday, right? It pulls.
Yes, sir.
It pulls back. Everybody knows to shed. It keeps pulling. We can shed, shed, shed. We get very nervous up here, right? You guys could shed. It's up to you. Otherwise, hang on. But everybody in this room knows 1000%. If this breaks and holds above VWAP and we're in a put, what do we do, everyone? I don't care how much you are in or out of the money. What do we do?
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Right here, we're out. And now listen, we got in up here, right? No matter what, we still made money even when it pulled through. Do you see it?
Yes, sir.
Now we wait until the next directional change. The rest of this, we don't get to trade because we got out. Okay. If we get out, we wait. Otherwise, we're scalping. We have to wait for the next setup. Now we're looking at the next setup. So here it is, it changed color. Here is your first candle that you would have entered. That's this one because now it is larger than these other two, which means you got in somewhere around this candle. Right now, you're barely up, but it's going exactly where it needs to be. This is where that 25 to 40% is going to kick in unless everybody, if this breaks down below VWAP and holds, do you care if it's only down 8%? What would you do?
Get out if it goes under VWAP.
That's right. Or if you just got into the trade and it changes color, otherwise get out on that one. Moderators, you got it.